Xiaomi Mi A1 is receiving its Android 8.0 Oreo update. Xiaomi is closing out 2017 by updating its Mi A1 handset to Android 8.0 Oreo. Following a recent Oreo beta test, the company announced the update on its Twitter account on December 30, 2017. We're ending the year with an O. Mi A1 users, stay tuned as we're rolling out your long-awaited update in batches, but make sure you're already on the latest December update, July 12, 2019, to receive Android O. pic.twitter.com/GHRTDJN4, me, @Xiaomi, December 31, 2017. As the tweet says, you'll need to be running the latest December update, July 12, 2019, in order to receive the over-the-air Oreo update. Keep in mind this is a staged rollout, so it might be a few days before the update reaches all Mi A1 handsets. The update to Android Oreo brings new features like picture-in-picture mode, bundled notifications, plenty of UI tweaks, and fast charging support. Want to learn more about Android Oreo? Be sure to check out our full review right here. Your source